Imagine yourself in this 2013 Jeep Grand Cherokee. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, clock, in-radio display, compass, cruise control, engine hour meter and external temperature display. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.